To my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you're here, and it's my aim to share as much information as I can to really help you, to inspire you. My biggest mission is, number one, so you can heal yourself. Number two, that you can really learn the tools and techniques so you can help others heal. And number three is together that we get out there and heal the world. So that's me. My name is Dr. Carli Axford, and I'm the founder of the Spinal Flow Technique and the Spinal Flow Certification Program. Every single thing I do is really put all my efforts into helping people become incredible spinal flow practitioners. And it might be that you've had experience, you've already got experience in the sciences, maybe chiro, maybe physio, doctors, nurses, and you just really want to understand more about stress and energy in the body and emotions. Or maybe that you're already a healer and you're doing some really cool kinesiology or massage or Reiki, and you're like, oh, I just want more of the science. I want more nervous system. I want to understand more about posture in the chest and how to communicate. Then I can help you as well. Or maybe you've just never had any experience at all, and you've just had a real wish and a real passion to say, you know what, I want to do this. I want to help people, and I want to, help people live better lives. Then the certification course is for you. So you're going to find out here a lot more. I've got my free webinar that you can also watch to give you more information about what it means, what the certification's about. And, if you're ready and you want to join us and become an incredible practitioner, then join us in the certification program and join our team. It's my massive, massive aim to make a difference in the world. And that starts with us individually, but also with sharing that out to our friends, our families, our communities, so we can all live healthier lives in the bodies that we have. So excited that you're here. I'll be sharing regular videos. Watch out for the videos on the Spinal Flow Technique, where you can see the wave and the rhythm inside people's bodies. It's truly magical what's possible in someone's body. So thanks for joining me here on YouTube, and I'm excited that you're here and you're interested and you're ready to either heal yourself or heal others.